Today, discussion about panic disorders. What is a panic disorders? The panic disorders is according to the Diagnostical Statistical Manual or DSM of mental health. Panic disorder is a type of anxiety disorder that is characterized by intense, recurrent, and unexpected panic attacks. Fear and anxiety can be normal reaction to specific situation and stressful events. Panic disorder differs from this animal the normal fear and anxiety because it is often extreme and may be to strike out of the blue. A person with a panic disorder may experience symptoms such as severe feelings of terror, rapid breathing, and rapid heart rate. The National Institute of Mental Health report that approximately 2.7 of the adult US population experience panic disorder each year. Approximately 44.8 of these individuals experience causes of panic disorder that are classified as a severe. The symptoms. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, nearly 6 million American adults experience the symptoms of panic disorder during an given year. While panic disorder can strike at any point in life, symptoms most often begin during late adolescence or early adulthood and affect twice as many women as men. Chest pain, dizziness, feeling of extreme terror and occur suddenly without warning, numbness in the hand or feet, rapid breathing and sweating. Panic disorder can lead to serious disruptions in daily functions and make it difficult to cope with normal, everyday situations that may trigger feelings of intense panic and anxiety. Diagnosis. The direct psychological effects of a substance such as drug as use or a medication or a general medical condition. Another mental disorder including social phobia or another specific phobia, obsessive compulsive disorder, post traumatic stress disorder, or separation anxiety disorders. Causes. The age. The age is the panic disorder typically developed between the age of 18 and 35. Gender. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, men have more than twice the risk of panic disorder than men. Genetics. If you have a close biological family member with panic disorder, you are much more likely to develop the condition. All up to half or more of people with panic disorder do not have a close relative with the condition. Trauma. Experiencing a traumatic event such as being the victim of physical and sexual abuse can increase risk of panic disorder as well as life transitions. Going through a life transition of difficult life event including the death of a loved one, divorce, marriage, having a child or losing of a job may increase all risk. Types of panic attack. Unexpected panic attacks occur suddenly without any external or internal cause. In the words, they seem to happen out of the blue when you feel relaxed. Expected panic attack occurs when someone is exposed to a solution or situation of which they carry fear. For example, having a panic attack during take up on a plane. Treatment. CBT. The CBT is very important treatment is on the can help people with panic disorders. Exposure therapy involving progressive exposing people with panic disorder to the object and situations that trigger a fear response while teaching and practicing new relaxation strategies. Panic focused psychodynamic psychotherapy aims to uncover underlying conflicts and experiences that may have influenced the person's development of panic and anxieties.